Let's have a look at the advantages of the Tornado Auto Punch EX. Speed and production efficiency is Tornado's advantage over all other auto punches. On average, we see a 40% savings in throughput time. A recent timed test of 75 books with tabs showed the Tornado Auto Punch at 57% faster than the traditional methods. The automatic collation of sheets, covers, and tabs allows this machine to soar. And since the binding process was started before the punching was even finished, 57% of time was saved. The secret: when you add single sheet feeding and Tornado technology, you get perfect custom pagination. And the work goes even faster when offset complete stacking enables concurrent binding while the machine continues to punch and collate on your behalf. The Tornado Auto Punch EX by Rhino Tough.